Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will give you access to the bulbs in your headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To change the bulbs on the full beams, remove the closing cap on the grille side. Take the bulb connector, pivot it anti-clockwise, and then pull it out. Take the new bulb. Put everything back into the light compartment and lock it in place by making a quarter turn clockwise. To replace the side lights, stay in the same compartment. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the cover back on.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
To replace the indicator bulb, remove the top cover. Rotate it counterclockwise by grasping the brown base and remove the entire set. To remove the bulb, press on the tab on the connector and pull the bulb out. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the cover back on. To change the H7 dipped beam bulb, remove the body side cover by removing the metal clip and rotating it backwards. Give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base. Then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.